Alright, this is me and Haley. We're at this high freaking class hotel.
Sexy crap.
We're in the high class room of her mom. We're pimping
Sexy
it out.
hell.
We're pimping it out. And we're about to yell card games on motorcycles down there on a beach. On a beach. On a beach with, look, all these people. All these people. We are about to yell
Card games on motorcycles.
card games on motorcycles. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Card games on motorcycles!
Card games on motorcycles! Because we are just that awesome. Card games on motorbikes!
Card games on motorcycles!
Woo! Oh, we're going to be pimping it out tonight.
Aren't we, Haley?
Yes.
You guys don't get to stay in here tonight.
Doesn't mean we can't pimp it out for a while. We can. And we got Pocket. And she didn't take her medication.
No. ADHD.
And we're good.